All right, last lesson in this unit is really just reviewing. We're going over everything, mixed problems. So, some fool put $500 into a savings account at the beginning of the year, paying 2% simple interest. After 3 months, he realized the error of his ways and took all the money out and then put it into an account for the rest of the year that paid 2% compounding daily. At the end of the year, how much did he have? Okay. So, his principal was $500. The rate was 0.02. The time was for 3 months. So that's 3 out of 12 months, which is 1 out of 4 or 0.25. Okay. So if we multiply that out, take our handy dandy calculator. Now this is just regular calculator stuff, not fancy TVM solver. So we're just taking the 500 times the 0.02 times the 0.25. And he earned a whopping $2.50, which means at the end, his future value is $502.50. Now, he is going to take that and put it in here. Still 2%, no payment. Future value we're going to calculate, but daily compounding. So 360. Remember, we use 360 for banks, not 365. And then the N is a little bit interesting. So let's look at that. For the rest of the year. Okay. So the rest of the year is 9/12. Okay. Or 0.75. So this is 360 times 0.75. So we're going to go back into our TVM solver. And that's going to be 360 times 0.75, which is 270 days. And then our interest is still 2%. That did not change. The present value is that whopping $502.50. The payment is 0 now. Future value we're going to calculate. And remember, this is 360. Changes automatically for CY. Go up to future value. Alpha, solve. 510.09. Okay, so it's a two-part problem. Simple interest and then compound interest. Example 2. Your dear old aunt gives you $2,000 and an Argyle sweater for graduation. So $2,000 is the amount of money you're going to invest. Wisely, you place the money in the bank and the sweater in the nearest dumpster. And then, even more wisely, add, now this we're doing a little bit differently, this time we're adding $25. Okay, so now we're kind of combining the idea of annuity and compound. For the next 4 years of college. Okay, so 4 years. Earning 7.1% compounded interest. And you're putting the money in per week. So we're going with the annuity rules here. Okay, so it's basically an annuity, but instead of starting out at 0, we're starting out with 2,000. So we're really doing an annuity, but starting with an investment. So this is 4 times 52. Okay. Which is 208. And now you go into our calculator. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this. So up here, again, if you did not know what it was, you would just type in 52 times 4. 208. The interest is 7.1. The present value is the $2,000 she gave you. The payment, you're putting in $25 a week. Technically, these should both be negatives, but no big deal. Future value, we don't know, and this is going to be 52. So we go up here to future value, alpha, solve. 865 and 20 cents. And that is the future value of your account. One last one. I had $1,750 in the Bank of America for 2 years at 2.5%, compounded daily. That looks like a 5. There we go. But I found a better rate at 3.2%. If I switch banks and leave it in there for another year and a half, how much will I have total? Okay, so no payment, future value we're calculating. So we go into our TVM solver, we go up here, and we do, oops, my bad. I forgot something. Oh, no, I did. I wrote it down. Sorry. 2 times 360, which is 720. Our interest rate is 2.5. The present value is the $1,750. The payment, we're not doing anything monthly or weekly or anything, no annuity. And it's compounded daily, so this goes back to 360. Both of them change. Come up to future value, hit alpha, solve. That gives us $1,839 and 72 cents. So we're going to move that down here. We're still not putting any money in. We're still trying to calculate this. We're still doing daily, but the interest rate is now 3.2. And we're doing it for a year and a half. Whoops. Times the 360. And see what we get. So it's 360 times 1.5, 1.5, 540. This is now 3.2. This is now 1839 and 72 cents. Payment, nothing. Still 360, so we're going to just alpha solve right here. 1930 and 6 rounds to 17 up to 18. 1930 and 18 cents. And that is it.